go. We got the, what's it called? Two screws with the star shape, that's it. This one.
Talk about the bottom.
The bottom is just like a rubber piece is sitting on a bushing. That's all it is for the bottom. So once you take out the 2 screws on the top, you just lift it up. Alright, once you take out the 2 screws, left and right, what you want to remove is the wire harness right in the middle of the fan. So just squeeze and then pull out. Alright guys, this is where the harness is in the middle of the fan. What you do, you have to squeeze this in here like that, squeeze it, and then you just pull. So that's how you take out the wire harness. Alright guys, the coolant fan on the passenger's screws is very hard to get out. There's no space for it. So what I do, I use a small wrench. Actually, this is a ratchet, and with an extension, like 3 different extensions here, to take out the screws. This is star shape as well. Alright, that's what I did. It's very tight, so be patient and try not to drop the screws either. Once the screws come out, this is the fun part. Removing the coolant fan itself. So you gotta lift it up first to take it out from the bushing. And then you gotta play around with it a bit, wiggle, and then it should come out. There you go. It's a struggle, but it will come out though. Guys, it gave us a hard time to take the fan out. So we actually removed the fan control. There's 2 screws there because it actually it gives you better access to take out the fan. This is the fan control. Alright, right on the fan itself. Sometimes you don't have to use it, you continue wiggling it, but just take it out. There we go. Woo! There's the old fan. Mercy! Hopefully I don't have to do this again. It's very difficult to take it out. Once you get the old fan out, make sure you compare the old to the new. This is the old one, and this is the brand new one. And everything looks the same, the height and everything. And there's harness here. There's harness. And there's 3 harness, and there's going to be 3 harness here as well. We took this out for better access. I was going to show you earlier. And so this is it. Our next step is to install the new one, and it should be working fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Tech Time with T. You take care. That is how you change coolant fan on 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Peace out. Bye bye, my friend.
Straight one, bro. Stall one.